guys, this is Pooja Bera and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. By the title itself, you guys must have got an idea what is today's video going to be all about. Yes, it's quite trending and most of the common girls just like you and me are opting for it. I'm really excited to share with you guys my experience. It's all going to be about my first ever laser hair removal. Now this laser hair removal is quite common outside India because it's quite effective and comparatively cheaper than waxing in a longer run. Recently in India, it has become the talk of the town, and I've heard about a brand that is providing promising services when it comes to laser hair removal. Their services are quite affordable and convenient at the same time, so you guys need to try it at least once in your lifetime. I'm talking about Mako Skinzy. You must have seen their hoardings, YouTube ads, Instagram ads everywhere, and it's time for me to try out their services. Now I know they also provide at-home services, and I know their expertise in providing at-home service, but since the experience center is quite near to my home, so I thought why not go ahead, visit the experience center located in Thane and give you guys a sneak peek of all of their services in depth. I still have an hour for my appointment, so meanwhile I thought why not answer all of your queries with respect to laser hair removal. I have received multiple DMs from you guys, so let's begin with the questions. Let's begin with the most frequently asked question: what exactly is laser hair removal? How does it even work? Now I know most of you guys are skeptical if you guys should opt for laser hair removal or not, but I have researched a lot. Trust me, I have done my research properly before opting for this, and I've got to know that laser hair removal is basically a medical procedure which will try to emit concentrated beam of light called laser to remove all the unwanted hair on your skin. This light will basically target the hair follicles that basically produces hair, and the light will get absorbed by the hair itself, and that would eventually lead to stopping future hair growth. Now the common areas which people usually like to go for laser hair removal are upper lips, armpits, legs, hands and the bikini area. However, it's also possible to treat any area where you have unwanted hair except the area above and below the eyelid. Now you guys must be wondering, are there any side effects of laser hair removal? I have done a research for that as well, and I've come to the conclusion that Mako Skinzy laser hair removal is completely safe. Professionals are going to guide you about the entire process, and they are going to give you guys post-treatment care tips as well, just like applying a moisturizer, sunscreen whenever you go out. Apart from that, avoid taking hot shower bath post treatment for at least 24 hours. So these are the basic tips which they are going to give, and I have researched, and yeah, I think I have answered most of the questions that's going to bother you. If you have many questions, you guys could go ahead, comment down in the comment section. I would be more than happy to answer it for you guys. And yeah, I think I'll have to leave from my home because I have an appointment scheduled. So yeah, I'll be catching a train, and I'll see you guys in the experience center itself. So we have reached Mako Skinzy's experience center in Thane. Now I'll be going inside, so stay tuned. Now you'll know why I chose Mako Skinzy. So here's the expert who is going to do the laser hair removal procedure on me, and अभी वो बताएंगे कि ये procedure कैसा है, is it safe or not for the viewers.
पहले तो ये एकदम सेफ प्रोसीजर है। इसके प्रोसेस क्या है ये मैं आपको बता देती हूँ। फर्स्ट स्टेप ये रहेगा कि हम आपके जो मतलब सेशन एरिया है वो हम उसको मार्क करेंगे, देन उसको शेव करेंगे। शेव करने के बाद हम मशीनरी ट्रीटमेंट स्टार्ट करेंगे। हमारे पास 4 वेवलेंथ मशीन है, कूलेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी है एंड एकदम पेनलेस है, सो डोंट वरी। देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स मैं आपको पोस्ट केयर बताऊंगी कि आपको क्या क्या करना है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट।
Yes. Mako Skinzy is backed by expert dermatologists to make sure you are in safe hands. All you need to do is book your appointment on their Mako Skinzy website. Link is in my description box, where you can book an appointment for home service or visit their experience center. Traditionally, when you go to clinic for such treatment, they use diode and triple wavelength lasers, but Mako Skinzy use quadruple wavelength technology, which targets and helps to reduce all types of hair, fine, medium and thick hair as well. In just 6 to 8 sessions, you get up to 90% reduction in the unwanted body hair growth. The laser service has an ice cool technology that doesn't allow the skin to get heated, making the whole experience comfortable and painless. So just sit back and get rid of all the unwanted hair.
पोस्ट केयर 24 आवर्स तक ये वार्म वाटर से आपको बात नहीं करना है। ट्रीटमेंट एरिया पे आपको मॉइस्चराइजर एंड सनस्क्रीन अप्लाई करना है। सनस्क्रीन का टाइमिंग जान लीजिए मैम, 9 to 5, सुबह 9 बजे, 12 बजे, 3 बजे और 5 बजे।
अच्छा, 4 बार लगाना है?
जी मैम। एंड इफ अगर आप बाहर जा रहे हो तो आप इतना ही लगाइए तो ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा। एंड मॉइस्चराइजर लगाइए मैम।
I'm back from the treatment and I think my skin feels so smooth and all the unwanted hair are gone. But then I thought, why not monitor my skin for like a week to see if there are any ingrown hair or unwanted hair after a week. So yeah, let's wait for a week and see if there are any unwanted hair or not. Oh my god, it's been a week and I'm stunned with the results. There is no hair on my skin. Literally my skin feels so smooth and silky. There is no ingrown hair, no redness, no bumps, no itchiness, nothing, no burns and no tiny hairs here and there. I'm really happy with the results. This is beyond my expectation, I must say. There are 5 more sessions remaining and I can't wait to discover that. And yeah, let's say yes to silky smooth skin with no hair coming back here and there. Now I don't need to worry if I should wear a sleeveless dress or not, because I don't need to book a parlor appointment to get my hand waxed or something like that. I'll be tension free now. To book an appointment here, all you have to do is check out the link that I've mentioned in the description box below. Do let me know in the comments down how was your experience taking your first ever laser hair removal from Mako Skinzy. I would love to hear it from you guys. And yeah, that is it for today's video. I'll catch you guys super soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.